ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ በሌላ ቪዲዮ መተናል። የዛሬ ቪዲዮአችን የእንግሊሽ ኤግዛም ነው። ይህ እንግሊሽ የ2023 ሪሚዲያል ኤግዛም ተፈትኖት የነበረው የእንግሊሽ ጥያቄ ነው። በዚህ ጥያቄ ላይ የፓሴጆችን አንሰሩን ቢኮዝ ፓሴጅ ኢንፎ በየአመቱ ስለሚቀያየር ማለት ነው። ሌሎች የግራመር የቴንስ የተለያዩ ጥያቄዎችን የምንሰራላችሁ ይሆናል። ለቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ጀምሩት። ይህ ቪዲዮም ከተመቻችሁ በላይክ አንበሽብሹ። ቀጥታ ወደ ቪዲዮ 13ኛ አዲሱ neither talk nor smile at all when he is with me. As a matter of fact, he is one of the blank boring friends I have ever met. A most, B much, C best, D more. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? ምንድነው የሚለው? The answer is A most. Because እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው? she is superlative ነው እያደረገች ያለችው comparative ሳይሆን she is compare with I have ever made አይደለም የምትለው። so I have ever made ካለች ምን ለማለት ነው? ከነበሩኝ አጠቃላይ compare with multi things, so multi friends. So the answer is A. 14ኛ The group discussion is over. Do you have blank question for further clarification? If so, I will explain it with adequate example later. A1, B much, C a little, D any. What will be the answer? The answer is D any. Just በሴንስ እንኳን ስራው ካለ ራሱ do you have any question ነው እንጂ ብለው do you have a little አንለው ማለት ነው። So the answer is do you have any question ነው የሚባል። So the answer is D. 15ኛ Wait a few minutes only. Your letter of approval blank now. A is written, B is being written, C is writing, D has been written. What will be the answer? The answer is future tense. ምን አይነት tense ነው? Is present or past or future? The answer is B because a future continuous ነው አይደል? Wait a few minutes only. ካለበራ your letter of approved blank now. A future continuous ነው አይደል? Yeah. Is being written is the best answer. Asra The match was postponed blank the heavy rain. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer is C because of narlemir the match was postponed because of the heavy rain ነው እንጂ because አይሆንም። because ካልን በኋላ of ግዴታ ማስገባት አለብን። the match was postponed because of the heavy rain. the match was postponed because the heavy rain አይመጡም ማለት ነው። in spite of ደግሞ አይሆንም። ምንም እንኳን አይሆንም። in spite is to compare different things. 17ኛ Take your umbrella. A unless it rains, B in case it rains, C if it does not rain, D if it will rain. The answer is B in case it rains is the best answer. 18ኛ Uma was born blank the 4th of June blank the year 1999 exactly the blank midnight. What will be the answer? A on in at, B on at in, C in at, D in on at. The answer is what will be the answer? The answer is B no A. The answer is B because Uma was born on the 4th June at the year of 1999 exactly in midnight. It's the best answer. 19ኛ She was wearing a blank dress to the party. A beautiful, B beauty, C very beautiful, D D. Very beautiful. What will be the answer? The answer is C. Very beautiful is the best answer. Hanya, the director blank, I was talking to an hour ago. Give me another task that I am going to do. A. Whose, B. Where, C. Whom, D. Which. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer is whom. C is the best answer. Handanya, it is known that anyone blank catch HIV or AIDS from antiseptics. A. May, B. Can, C. Should, B. D. Must. What will be the answer? The answer is B is the best answer. ሁለተኛ, Hanan belonged to the library a few minutes ago. A. Went, B. Has been, C. Had gone, D. Has gone. What will be the answer? Hanan belonged to the library a few minutes ago. The answer is A. Went is the best answer. Hanan went to the library a few minutes ago. Past tense ነው። 23ኛ, He arrived blank. A. Yesterday safely in Adama, B. Safely yesterday in Adama, C. Safely in Adama yesterday, D. In Adama safely yesterday. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer is C. Safely in Adama yesterday is the best answer. 24ኛ, or if you know where blank A. The post office is, B. The post office is, C. If the post office, D. Is the post office. The answer is A is the best answer. 25ኛ, If I blank the Minister of Youth and Cultural Affairs of Ethiopia, I would ban all alien television film for the good of the generation. A. Was, B. Had been, C. Am, D. Were. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer is D, because ይሄ ኮንዲሽናል ስንት ነው? ኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ ዋን ነው አይደል? ያ ሶ ኮንዲሽናል ዋን ሲሆን ኢፍ ክሎዙ ኢስ ፓስት ቴንስ ነው። ሜን ክሎዝ ደግሞ ውድ ፕላስ ቪ2 ይሆናል ቪ3 ይሆናልና እዚህ ጋር ስናይ ኢፍ አይ ካልን በኋላ ኢፍ አይ አም ፕሬዘንት ነው። ሶ ኢፍ አይ ወር ኢዝ ዘ ቤስት አንሰር። had been ደግሞ ሲሆን ኮንዲሽናል ታይፕ 2 ቢሆን ነበር had been ይሄኛው ታይፕ 1 ነው። ሶ የምንጠቀመው ዌር ነው ማለት ነው። 26ኛ, most English students did very well on their final exam blank. A. Few students did not. A. However, B. Despite, C. Although, D. In spite of. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer is A. However is the best answer. By the way, however እና በት ልዩነት ምን መሰላችሁ? however ብለን እዚህ ጋር እንትኖችን ዳሽ ካለገ በኋላ ኮማ አለው አይደል? ያ ከhowever በፊት ደግሞ ምንድን ያለው ፉል ስቶፕ ነው። ምን ጊዜ እንደዚህ አይነት ከመጣለን ይባላል however እና በት ያምታታን ይችላል። ግን በት ከሆነ ምን ጊዜ የሚመጣው ምንድነው? ከበት በፊት ኮማ ነው የሚኖረው። however ሲሆን ግን ከhowever በፊት ፉል ስቶፕ however ካልን በኋላ ድጋሚ ብለን መቀጠል አለብን። ኮማ ግን በት ኤንድ ወደ 7 አይነቶች እንትኖች አሉ ነት የምንላቸው የት እነዚህ አይነቶች ሲመጡ ግን ከፊት ለፊታቸው ኮማ ነው then ፍሉስ ከዛም በኋላ ኖርማሊ የሚቀጥለው እንጂ ልክ እንደ however እንደዚህ ከመጀመሪያው ፉል ስቶፕ ከዛም ኮማ አይኖርም ማለት ነው። the main difference is one. 27ኛ, it was blank exciting game blank everyone was very happy about it. A. So that, B. Very that, C. Such as that, D. Such and that. What will be the answer? The answer is what will be the answer? The answer is D is the best answer. 28ኛ, I enjoy blank this book. I it since last night but I have not finished reading it. A. Reading, have been reading. B. To read, have been reading. C. Reading, am reading. D. To read, read. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer is A. I enjoyed reading this book. I have been reading it since last night የሚለው the best answer ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 29ኛ The girl is planning to get married. She's only 14. A. Young enough. B. Enough young. C. Too young. D. So young. The answer is too young is the best answer. 30ኛ You look weird, blank about what happened last night. A. You are thinking. B. Do you think? C. Are you thinking? D. You think? What will be the answer? The answer is C is the best answer. Are you thinking is the best answer. 31. 20 years have passed blank. The Diary of Young Girl was published. A. Since. B. For. C. Then. D. When. The answer is A. Since is the best answer. 41ኛ Which one of the following is wrong spelled? Which one of the following is wrong spelled? A. Extends. B. Announcement. C. Collaboration. D. Commencement. What will be the answer? The answer is A. His wrong split የተደረገው A ነው ማለት ነው። 42ኛ Which one of the following is correctly punctuated? A. Where did the criminal go? He said to me. B. He said to me. Where did the criminal go? C. He said to me. Where did the criminal go? D. Where did the criminal go? He said to me. What will be the answer? The answer is correctly, no? B is the best answer. B is the best answer. Because አሁን ለምሳሌ አንደኛው ላይ ካየን he said to me ካለ በኋላ መጨረሻ ላይ ምንድን ነው ያደረገው? full stop መሆን ሲኖርበት ኮማ ነው ያደረገው። ሲ ደግሞ በምናይበት ጊዜ he said to me ኮማ አደረገ። ይሄ ኩዌስችን ማርኩ ከኮቴሽን ውጭ አደረገው። እሱም አይሆንም ማለት ነው። ዲም ተመሳሳይ ስህተት ነው የሰራው። ሶ ትክክለኛ መልሱ ቢ ነው ማለት ነው። 43ኛ Which one of the following is correctly capitalized? A. September is the first month of Ethiopian New Year. B. September is the first month of Ethiopian New Year. C. September is the first month of Ethiopian New Year. D. September is the first month of Ethiopian New Year. Correctly punctualized የተደረገው የትኛው ነው? Answer is B is the best answer. Because አሁን ለምሳሌ ከዲ ብንጀምር ኢትዮጵያ ኒው ይር ነው የሚለው። ኢትዮጵያ ኒው ይር የሚለው ኒው የምትለው ግዴታ ካፒታል መደረግ ነበርባት። እሱን ዘግቷል ማለት ነው። ወደ ሲ ደግሞ ስንመጣ ፈርስት መንዝ ነው ማለት ፈርስት መንዝ ሲሆን ፈርስት ኤፍ ካፒታል መደረግ አልነበረባትም። ስሞል ሌተር መጻፍ ነበረባት። ወደ መጀመሪያው ላይ ደግሞ ስንመጣ ሴፕቴምበር ኢዝ ዘ ፈርስት መንዝ ሴፕቴምበር ኢዝ ዘ ፈርስት መንዝ ኦፍ ኢትዮጵያ ኒው ይር ይላል። ይር የምትለው የመጨረሻዋ በካፒታል መጻፍ ነበረባት። ቢኮዝ እንደዚህ ዋና ቃላቶች ለምሳሌ ድሬዳዋ፣ አዲስ አበባ፣ ኢትዮጵያ ይሄ ኮመን የሆኑ እንትኖች በካፒታል ነው። ኒው ይር እንደዚህ አይነት የመሳሰሉ ነገራቶች በካፒታል ነው መጻፍ ያለባቸው ማለት ነው። ሶ the answer is B ነው the best answer ማለት ነው። 44ኛ clever her ayantu is as not sister so young እነዚህ ተሰጡን ወርዶች ናቸው። በእነዚህ ሴንቴንሶችን ፎርም ማድረግ ነው ማለት ነው። A. Jaltu her younger sister not so clever as. B. Her younger sister is not as clever as Jaltu. D. Not clever as Jaltu is her younger sister. D. Jaltu is not so clever as her younger sister. The answer is D is the best answer. 45 you Hawassa ever have visited? A. You have ever visited Dilla? B. You have ever visited Dilla? just ምርጫው ቀይሮታል ሐዋሳ ለማለት ፈልገው ነው። C. Have you ever visited Dilla? D. Ever have you visited Dilla? question በጥያቄ መልክ ነው የጀመረው so the answer is C is the best answer because normal እንትን ካየ ነው ኖርማሊ ሴንቴንስ ፎርም ቢኖር ኦር ሴንቴንስ ሆኖ ኩዌሽነሪ ባይሆን ኖሮ you have ever visited Dilla የሚለው ይሆን ነበር። ሶ ወደ ኩዌሽን ስንቀይረው ሃቭን ወደ ፊት ለፊት መምጣት ነው። have you ever visited Dilla የሚለው have you ever visited ሐዋሳ በሚለው ብንቀይረው እንደዛ ነው የሚሆነው የሚችለው so the answer is C. ቮካብለሪ ላይ ደርሰናል። ቮካብለሪ 46ኛ my absent mind I won't lose her keys, her book and her wallet most of the time. What is the means to be absent-minded? A. Forgetful. B. Mindful. C. Careful. D. Handful. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Absent-minded የሚለው ምን ለማለት ፈልጎ ነው? The answer is forgetful is the best answer. A. by the way እንደዚህ ቮካብለሪ ስንሰራ ሁሉም ቮካብለሪዎች ሸምድደን መያዝ አንችልም። ሶ ቮካብለሪ የምንሰራባቸው ሜቶዶች አሉ። ከነሱ ሜቶዶች መካከል ዋነኛውና አንደኛው ኮንሰፕቹዋል ሜቶድ የምንለው። ስለዚህ absent minded ካለ which means absent minded ባይሆን እንኳን ከባድ ቃል ቢሆን እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው የምናደርገው? ዳይሬክት ቃላቶችን ምርጫ ላይ ያሉትን ቹስ ላይ ያሉትን ቃላቶች ማስገባት ነው። ለምሳሌ my mindful and slow hurry is mean አይሰጥም አይደለ? my careful አይመጣውም። my handful is not so ዳይሬክት ሴንቴንሶችን ብላክ ላይ ዳሹ ላስገብተን እየሞከርን ነው ሶ በደንብ መስራት የምንችለው እንጂ እያንዳንዱ ቮካብለሪ እዛ ሞጁል ላይ ያለውም ኤቨር ሸምድደን ማወቅ አንችልም። ማወቅ አይጠበቅብንም። ኮንሰፕቹዋሊ መስራት ይቻላል ማለት ነው። 47ኛ when Chala was sick his voice was also inaudible. We could not hear what he was trying to say clearly. What does inaudible probably mean? A. Too hard to hear. B. Stranger to hear. Easy to hear. D. Too loud to hear. The answer is too hard to hear. It is inaudible. Audible ቢሆን ሚሰማ እንደማለት ነው። inaudible means like deaf እንደማለት ነው። so the answer is or too hard to hear የሚለው ተመልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 48ኛ I am the right person for this position as I have worked for over 2 years. This expression is most likely taken from A. blank. A. friendly letter. B. personal letter. C. business letter. D. job application letter. The answer is D. job application letter. 49ኛ A letter with the opening salutation Dear Mr. ተስፋ ማርያም most likely ending A. yours faithful. B. best wishes. D. sincerely yours. D. lost of love. The answer is C. sincerely yours. C. sincerely yours is the best answer. የዛሬው ቪዲዮአችን ይህ ይመስል ነበር። በቀጣይ በሌላ የሪሚዲያል ጥያቄዎች እስክንገናኝ ድረስ ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ። ሰላም